ਇੰਡੀਆ 'ਚ ਕਦੇ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਯੂਰਿਨ ਟੈਸਟ ਕਰਵਾਇਆ? ਹੋਪਫੁਲੀ ਸਾਰਿਆਂ ਨੇ ਕਰਵਾਇਆ ਹੋਏਗਾ ਬਿਕੋਜ਼ ਆਈ ਆਲਸੋ ਯੂਜ਼ਡ ਟੂ ਲਿਵ ਇਨ ਇੰਡੀਆ, ਸੋ ਆਈ ਹੈਡ ਮਲਟੀਪਲ urine test and the blood test. So what is difference in Spain? So I'm going to tell you. Hello everyone, my name is Himangini Sagar. Welcome to my daily vlogs. So basically yesterday I met my family doctor. Here in Spain there are specifically who handles your family and the family cases of your medical history, that is your family doctor. So everyone is assigned a family doctor in Spain, whether you are legal, illegal, you are having any permanent residency cards or anything, so you will be having your family doctor. Okay, so later thing apart, I will be telling how the medical thing goes on. So today what I am creating the video for, yesterday I went to the hospital and they had scheduled my blood test and the urine test, the most common. Every 6 months your doctor asks you to do so. So the thing is, we generally have a urine test in India. How it's different from Spain, how logically they do the test, I'm going to show you in this video. So generally what happen in India, uh, you are generally given a plastic tub like this, or what, small container like this, and you say go to the washroom, jao ji urine test leke aao. But in Spain it's very nicely developed. So yesterday I was given these two small tubes and this one the plastic container. So how gonna we use it, because it's very helpful. Like these kind of things should be there in India as well. So basically I need to fill up this one with the urine by tomorrow, the first urine of the morning. Why I'm giving you these details, because it's really help and see ki how advanced the system outside India is. So basically this is the urine tube. I have to fill up with the urine, and afterwards I need to remove this sticker and I have to put this tube downwards. So this gonna help without even touching it, without even, it's really protected, and need to give the sample by tomorrow. So I have been given these two tubes and I have to fill it and given it to morning. This is how it is different from India to here in Spain. So more facts I will be sharing in my daily vlogs. Till the time, please follow my channel, subscribe it and like it. Thank you very much.